How to speed up your internet connection on Windows. Your connection feels slow, and before blaming your provider, it's worth checking what your own machine is doing, because a surprising amount of slowness starts at home. Begin with a measurement so you know what you're actually working with. Run a speed test wired if possible, and compare it to what you pay for. If the wired result is fine but wireless isn't, the problem is your Wi-Fi rather than your line. Next, look at what's consuming bandwidth. Open Task Manager's Network column and Settings, Network, Data Usage to see which applications are downloading. Cloud Sync, game launchers, and Windows Update are the usual suspects, and delivery optimization can be limited in update settings. Then change your DNS servers, which won't raise your speed but makes pages start loading noticeably faster. Update your network adapter driver and check whether the connection is marked as metered, which throttles things deliberately.